Hello, my love. Hello, my love.
Next to Sabang.
Hello, good morning. It's a rainy day. Maulan today mga Auntie Kels. So now late na kami nakapag-breakfast. Where is it? Hala, my love. Ay. My headset. So, let's go. Breakfast. Ganito lang yung susuotin ko. Tanawang isa karon pa nagkuan. Good morning mga Auntie Kels. Ayan, baba tayo mag-breakfast. Si Mr. andun na siya sa baba. Nag-ano na siya. Nag-una-una na siya breakfast. So, actually, hindi niya dadalhin yung breakfast ko dito. Nag-request ako ng tawag dito, pancake kay mag-pancake lang ako today kay kahapon grabe ako makagkaon kahapon de perting daghana. Feel na ko murag pa nahilis karon. So mag-pancake lang taninyo ha. Para pod na hilis ato tong kinaon kahapon. Ang ano pa naman yun, kining meat ba? Ay, nagpanday dahil sila dahil. Meat pa naman yung kinain ko kahapon. At saka curry. Another pancake.
No.
No? What no?
She just came with it, so it's still warm.
Uy.
So
What?
nice to see you here.
I wanna sit after because I can see the view. Ay, dadalhin sana niya doon. Aking pancake. So, ginawan muna ako ng iced coffee. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mainit na kape. Tapos ang aga. Morning. Can I have iced coffee?
I'm sorry, I don't have the iced coffee. I have only hot coffee.
But can you make this one this coffee the one
Coffee,
that yeah, and then you just put an ice on it.
Oh, outside for the ice, okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay. Pancake. Mazay. Yan yung breakfast natin. Yan, tapos na kaming kumain. Muntik ko na naman kayong makalimutan, Jai. Yan talaga yung problema dito sa akin pag kayo ay color black. Yung cover nyo. Ay. Buti na lang talaga si Mr. is, ano siya ba, abdik. Abdik siya, makakita niya akong camera. Ay. Dinala ko yung fruits. Nag-swimming si Mr. Galing siya, nag-walking. Tingnan niyo yung isa. Shh! Shh! Labas tayo mga Jai. Mag-coffee tayo. Kalimutan ko yung relo ko. Hi sir, your clothes is always the same every day.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm the same every day also. That's why.
They think that you don't have money.
Yeah, I don't. I spent
Cause-
them all on your clothes.
Uy, kalahin yung malawoy. Because you can't buy your own clothes. So, ayan, nandito na kami sa coffee shop. Nag-order ako ng ham and cheese kasi gutom ko day. Drive around kami mga Auntie Kels.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh.
Akala namin uulan today, but hindi pala. I thought it's gonna rain today, my love. Uy, hala, naasilay ko ang na, my love, oh. We have already a ring, handmade ring. Pagawa sana ako ng handmade ring. My love, magpatato ko diri sa valley, ha? The one that I told you.
Huh?
I want to make that in Bali.
Like what?
The tattoo.
Tattoo.
Yeah, it's not a big one. It's really small. So I have a souvenir in Bali. That's what mostly, yan yung mga ginagawa nila dito mga Zay. Normally nilalagay nila sa kanilang kamay. And yung iba is they make a ring. They make their own ring. We've been there already, my love. We go to the others.
More than
We go to the other side, my love, of the mountain.
nice. And looking like this, but they're expensive.
Yeah, I know that's expensive because
Like castles.
that's my auntie's business before in the Philippines. We call it kolorok. Uy, may laboy. But you know what, my love? I want.
And they still didn't put any plaster on the wall. Nothing is all new, isn't it? Yeah, that was not here before.
Yeah, but that's there already, my love. Eh? What's in there? Ah, it's a dead end. Hoy, 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 hoy. Pagtanaw. Okay. Dili ba? Naay ko ang diri, oh. Oh, it's made na ba yun? Parang... Ah, my love, oh, this one new. There's so many Sa itong Nirvana.
It's building like crazy.
I wrote a note the Sunday, symptoms like how I forget. Then washed my pants on Monday, forgot I had it there in the pocket for the doctor, but my writing wasn't there. What to do? Where are the words to tell them I'm doing okay? Red dots and it's been a moment since I saw you last.
It's next to Sabang,
Sa Imbang.
Embang, whatever.
Sabang karon. Nana sila ko an. Ay. Daming construction. But the good thing I noticed here in Bali, my love, they work really fast. Have you noticed that one? The hotel is finished like 1 year, you know. Maybe less than. But maybe it's a contract, you know. Here, stop here. We can't see down there.
I wrote a note the Sunday, symptoms like how I forget. Then washed my pants on Monday, forgot I had it there in
was a good drive around. Pero alam nyo ba, ang daming nag-construction dahil ang daming nagpatayo ng hotel, mga villa. Now we are going back. And that was nice weather too. Ang daming nakukuhan sa akin dito na pagkamalan nila ako ng Indonesian. I don't know. I need to go down. Uy. Kung alarm, nag-on na. O, dahil na may diris kinasuokan. Sige, Jude. Naghanap kami ang kuan ka nang magtato ba? Okay, more. Stop! Move. Sure, motorbike ha? Massage. Kung alarm may love nag-on. Meron kaming aso dito. Hi! Hoy! Hoy! Where is Agong? Where is Agong? Where is the mount? Where's the volcano? Hi! Hi, Rosie! Shh. Oi! We are finally back in the hotel. And that was really good drive around.
Hello, my love. Hello, my love.
Guys, meron kaming sasabihin sa inyo. I want to tell them the story about we got nearly scammed from the car in the Philippines. You really have to careful
Have to be careful,
if you wanna buy a car.
ultra careful in Philippines.
Lalo na sa atin kasi it's so many what you call
Scams,
no, not scam, my love. Utang ba? Kining?
rip-offs.
No, you know, like loan
Fraud.
from the bank. There's so many debt in the bank. Share ko yung story sa inyo ha. Yung nagplano kasi kami na bibili ng car last December. Kaso lang, tumawag si mama ngayon sa akin. Muntik daw silang ma-scam day. Kasi last December, doon pa ako. Yun yung sana yung dapat gagawin namin ba. Kaso lang, super hectic na kasi Pasko, Christmas, tapos sobrang busy sa bahay. And then, wala na kaming time na maghanap pa ng car. So ngayon, umalis na kami. So sila na lang yung naghahanap. And then, mga antikels, pumunta sila sa Davao. Meron silang, kumbaga, agent daw yung na-meet nila. And then yung car, everything is okay. Sobrang ganda pa ng sasakyan, mga antikels. Ang brand is Ford na Hilux. Buti na lang yung dalawang uncle ko is meron silang alam about sa car. Dahil kung sa mga car paper ba, dahil kung binayaran na talaga nila yung sasakyan, mga antikels. Nakaunhan na yung pera. And then ang nangyayari is Buti na lang is napansin sa aking uncle na yung sa car registration is para ba siyang kinopya lang. And then sabi ng uncle ko na kanang parang hindi to siya the same sa original. So kanang nabay problema ni nga sa may problema ba itong sasakyan na to. And then chinek nila yung papers. Nakita sa aking uncle na yung papers is may nakasulat na this kanang ang car is dili siya naka-registered sa owner, naka-register siya sa bank. So, kumbaga parang may kailangan ka pang babayaran sa bangko. So, yun yung nangyayari mga Zai. And then, sabi ko kina mama na mag-ingat talaga kayo kung wala kayong kanang hindi naman sa walang idea, yung hindi natin alam yung mga pasikot-sikot dyan sa atin ba is dapat magdala talaga sila ng marunong tumingin ng mga papers, yung lalo na yung sa mga sa sasakyan kasi is hindi talaga natin alam na yung sasakyan pala is utang pala yan, and then pag nabayaran nyo na nawala na yung nagbenta day. So yun, akala talaga na nila na yung car is madala na nila ba, pero buti na lang talaga is na nakita nila yung sa car paper na is yung sa registration ba na yung car is utang pala sa bangko. Anong sa first pa lang nila mga antikils, may na-notice na sila sa seller. Parang hindi daw sila yung totoong may-ari ba. Parang na-feel na nila na parang wala silang masyadong alam sa car. And then doon na sila medyo na parang may something wrong. Either hindi sa car, kundi either sa paper. So, yun talaga yung nahulaan ng aking mga uncle na yung sa car registration talaga. Dahil kung nabili pa namin to dahil na patay na ay maningil sa balay, bargong sakyanan. So, ngayon, meron silang titignan na isang car. Naghanap kasi ako ng car na next time pagbalik namin doon, na hopefully is matapos na din yung pinagawa ko na bahay pagbalik namin doon. And with the 2026 blessing, sana marami tayong blessing this coming 2026. So yan yung isang bagay na gusto ko talagang tapusin para pag uwi natin may sasakyan na kami ba. Ang ipabili ko na sasakyan is yung Hilux mga antikels ba, para may kalalagyan sa likod kung ano yung mga bibilhin, mga kaanik-anik. So, yun yung gusto kong bibilhin. And then, ang plano sana namin before is van para pag mag-outing. Pero ngayon na-realize namin is ilang beses ba kami mag-outing? Ilang beses ba silang mag-outing kahit wala kami doon? O di isang beses lang pag makauwi ako doon. O di ba? Pag makauwi kami or baka yung kapatid ko or... Pero ang van kasi sobrang laki, hindi siya practical ba pag like pupunta lang sa town, may mga bibilhin, grocery, yung mga ganyan na bagay, is hindi siya practical. So sabi ko na either Hilux or kining yung malaki-laki lang na pero mas prefer ko kasi yung may kalalagyan sa likod. Ang tawag doon dahil kining Raptor ba? Pero hopefully in the next few days, makabili na sila, no? Alam ko maraming car na for sale sa atin sa Pilipinas, pero mahirap talaga maghanap ng sasakyan na yung bang ma-fall ka talaga na, this is it. Kasi pag ang car is mafo-fall ka talaga, is aalagaan mo talaga yan. And then, of course, kailangan mo yung kasi pang forever na yan. Hindi na yan pwede na ibalik mo. Maraming pera. But I'm so thankful kasi we are still looking. And meron kaming 3 na tinitignan ngayon na siguro bukas pupuntahan nila. And hopefully na ma-fall talaga kami niya, no? I mean, okay naman siya. Plano kasi namin is either Nissan, Toyota, or Mercedes. Kaso nga lang yung Mercedes medyo may kamahalan siya. So, nasa kami, Toyota or either Nissan. And yeah, mag-iingat talaga sa mga scammer. Ay naku, hindi talaga yan natin sila maiwasan mga antikels. Siyempre, naghanap buhay din sila pero dapat talaga na ikaw mismo is maano ka talaga, tayo mismo, mautak talaga tayo. Yan yung paalala talaga natin. Kaya yan yung may kasabihan na take your own rest. Alright, mga Zayoy, that's it for today. Baka lalabas kami ngayon kakain or something lang nga. Mabusog lang kami saglit kay murag nabusog kami kaganiya sa bread na kinain namin. So yeah, thank you everyone sa mga nag-comment and baka may mga maisa-suggest kayo or advice sa akin na ano yung mga dapat i-check ani kung ganito ganyan na. So sa mga sweeto din ha, comment down below. Dinner for tonight with my love. Congratulations. Congratulations. For your first.
This is shrimp spring roll.
Yeah.
I want your breadcrumbs.
Oh. Mine, I got nishi goreng. Bon appetit. My love, ayaw na my love. You already drink, you know.
What?
You did drink also.
What?
You also drink, so.
Yeah, that's why I ordered it.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Namin batog na ni sabaw eh. No, dapat hindi ako mag-rice tonight. Kaya mag-rice sana ako tomorrow.
What is that? Fruit salad?
Sige lang, tag-chicken ulit. What's that?
I don't know.
Ano sabaw? Sasaw? Sa mango.
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in